Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Electoral Officer jong Kajala Meghalaya BDR Tiwari ula pentip baka jingyo vote Shillong bat Tura Parliamentary Constituency hapok Kajala kalakut bat kalong ka bayai renti bat ye result ru la de ban penbena mentakas ngi ka sautrik ujleo arjar arpusau na kaliang CEO ula pentip bana Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ukertong jong ka Voice of the People Party Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Syngkon ulayo hadu san lak nyo pu wai hajar nyo pu prabut kat bau kertong jong ka seng Congress uba Vincent H. Pala ulayo hadu Shillong kendai hajar shis pa andre pu prabut ka kertong jong ka National People's Party ka Dr. Maisel Amprin Lingdo kalayo hadu Shillong prapu hundreo hajar saus pa prapu prabut ukertong ke UDP uba Robert June Karjadin ulayo hadu sapu hajar sans pa andre pu laibut Profesor Lakhon Kema kurtong Shimen ulayo hadu khat prahajar sanspa prapu arbut barba Peter Shalam ukurtong Shimen ulayo hadu nyo hajar arpusau vut dakini habakhen lang baro ukurtong jong Voice of the People Party ula job da lai lak nyo puwe hajar kendai spa shipo vut shisho na lor jong ki bala kershan ki kertong ki donru hadu khat wei hajar pravut ki bathep ho nota bat hendreo spa sapu hendreo teliki vote bala syak kentan Tura Parliamentary Constituency ukurtong jong ka seng Congress Saleng Sangma ulayo hadu lai lak prapu lai hajar kendai spa kendai po vote ka kertong jong ka NPP ka akatha ki Sangma kalayo hadu lak arpu prahajar hendreo spa anyo pu pravut kat bau kertong ka TMC Uzanet Sangma ulayo hadu sapu prahajar henyo spa kendai vote kumta ukertong jong ka seng Congress ula job da Shillong sanpusan hajar arspa sapu wei vote hatura na lor ki bala kershan ki kertong ki donru hadu san hajar praspa sau potli ki vote ki ba thep ho nota ba hendreo spa line tli ki vote ki bala sha kentan nakal yang CEO la pentip bala de pan ai ki sernot ki kertong ki bala job kum ga jingpen shisha bat ga jingpen scam halor ga jinglong kum ki MP ba thamai ha ka jilla na ki artli ki parliamentary constituency.
The counting for Shillong ST parliamentary constituency and Tura ST parliamentary constituency in the state of Meghalaya already completed and results already have been declared. In Shillong PC, Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Syngkon, candidate of Voice of People Party, has secured 5,71,078 votes, and the candidate of Indian National Congress, Sri Vincent H. Pala, who secured 1,99,168 votes, and Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Syngkon has won the Shillong parliamentary constituency with a margin of 3,71,910 votes. Other candidates, Dr. Amprin Lingdo from National People's Party has secured 1,86,488 votes. Sri Robert June Karjana from United Democratic Party has secured 44,563 votes. Professor Lakhon Kema, independent candidate, who secured 18,582 votes, and Sri Peter Salam, independent, he secured 7,024 votes. Altogether, there are 11,008 votes has gone for the none of the above or nota. Total rejected votes are 646. So certificate has already been given by the returning officer Shillong to the winning candidate. Similarly, in Tura parliamentary constituency, Sri Saleng A. Sangma from Indian National Congress has secured 3,83,919 votes. Srimati Agatha K. Sangma from National People's Party has secured 2,28,678 votes. Sri Jenithiyam Sangma, All India Trinamool Congress candidate, he secured 48,709 votes, and Sri Laben C.H. Marak, Independent, has secured 6,910 votes. Total 5,840 votes has gone for none of the above, and total 603 votes are rejected. So, in the Tura parliamentary constituency, the candidate of Indian National Congress, Sri Saleng A. Sangma, has defeated the National People's Party's candidate, Srimati Agatha K. Sangma, by a margin of 1,55,241 votes. Entire voting process has gone very smooth and very peacefully, and there was no incident of repoll anywhere, no poll violence anywhere reported, and entire process has gone very smoothly. So I would like to really convey my sincere thanks to the people of the state for casting their vote very freely, and very largely they have participated in this function of the democracy. So total the state has 76.6% voters had used their franchise to vote, and PC wise it was 73.78% in Shillong parliamentary constituency and 81.37% in Tura parliament constituency. So the overall voting was highest ever in the any parliamentary election in the state. So I would like to simultaneously appreciate and convey my sincere thanks to the entire election machinery in the state who did their very tireless effort to make this moment very successful, and entire election process has went very well. So moreover, the people, the way they have behaved and supported to strengthen the democracy in the state, it is really appreciable. So I would like to similarly thank to the police personnel, CAPF and media personnel also for their always support and communicate, especially to the media person for the communicating the right messages and raising the concern of the people to strengthen the democracy in the state. So this is really a proud moment, and once again I would like to thank each and one for their tireless effort making these elections very successful. Thank you so much. We end once the notification of regarding the end of the MCC will be declared by the Honorable Election Commission of India.
Can you tell us Shillong seat, whether it is a record mark?
Shillong parliamentary constituency.
Not a record mark.
So far all the data is not with me, so I can't comment, but it seems.
So, since there are many rejected votes, if you can tell us what is the basis of turning or declaring these votes as rejected, on what grounds?
There are the several aspects, and they declare in the due process in respect to the once the vote is getting rejected. So all
Rejected means how it is rejected?
the detailed procedure is already there, so it is done by the RO. So I can't comment over on which ground which vote has been rejected. But they applied the mind, and in the presence of all the party people, and very transparently, entire process has been followed.
Are these
Which
postal?
constituencies are these?
I am not giving the detail all the at a time. So I just give this much data, whatever I have, and I have shared.
Are these postal votes which were rejected?
There are postal votes.
Not EVM.
Mostly EVM votes, it is in the machine, so there is very hardly any chance of the EVM votes to get it. So thank you so much once.
This election, so teachers are being employed, are deployed and
So most of the poll personnel, once the polling process got over, only the people who are engaged, who are getting duty for the counting, all other people after the poll, they already reverted back to their parent department to do their normal duties. And similarly, after the counting process, they will also be relieved to do their duty.
aspect.
There was a standing instruction for the clearing of the dues of all polling personnel once they are being relieved. There might be slight delay in few cases, those are the exceptional, otherwise all the dues are also being cleared at time itself.
Can you tell us the expenditure involved in this election?
So right now, without compiling the entire expenditure data, I am not in position to say.